Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable the only draw with the Apple Pencil option. So the only draw with Apple Pencil option allows you to draw only using your Apple Pencil. So right now I have that option disabled, and as you can see I can draw with my fingers and the Apple Pencil at the same time. So for example, if I put my hand on the screen, that might distract you or make accidental touches while using your hand. So if you want to disable that, what you can do is just go to the settings, then click on Apple Pencil, and then enable the only draw with Apple Pencil option. So if you, for example, return to the notes, as you can see, I cannot draw at all, but I can draw with my Apple Pencil. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.